Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're looking for the best drill machines available in Nigeria, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the top-performing drills that combine power, durability, and value for money. Perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and contractors alike. Stay tuned as we break down the best options to help you choose the right tool for your next project. DongCheng Cordless Brushless Driver/Hammer Drill, DCJZ-05-13EM. The DongCheng DCJZ-05-13EM is a premium cordless hammer drill featuring both screwdriver and drilling modes. It handles wood, metal, and plastic effortlessly, delivering consistent torque for daily workshop or site use. Key features: no load speed, 0 to 550/0 to 2000 R/min, 2 gears. Max chuck capacity, 13 mm. Max torque, 60 Nm. 3 functions: drill/screwdriver/impact drill. Brushless motor with 2x 4.0 Ah batteries and charger. Compact and durable design. DongCheng Electric Impact Drill, DZJ-02-13. This electric impact drill is designed for drilling into lightweight concrete, ceramics, and metal. It offers an excellent balance of power and control for professional and household applications. Key features: 500 W motor power. Adjustable speed, 0 to 2600 R/min. Rated impact frequency, 0.41600/min. Forward and reverse rotation. Dual function, drill and impact. DongCheng Cordless Driver Drill, DCJZ-1202E. An economical 10.8V model with a new battery pack platform. This compact drill provides a balance of performance and affordability. Key features: max torque, 35 Nm. 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 400/0 to 1500 R/min. Drilling capacity: steel 10 mm, wood 22 mm. Weight: 1 kg. Includes 2x 2.0 Ah batteries and charger. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.